the 1990 Brougham. This is one of the most popular Cadillacs ever. This one's in driver condition, daily driver. You can see the license plates. This carburetor, play on words. Do a full walkthrough on this and then do a short. So you can see it looks like there's a new alternator on it. A lot of new parts on here. Looks like it's running. The car itself. It's in alright shape. Looks like it was last inspected in 2014, so it's definitely not used all the time. Hood's seen better days. Got the upper lights on the side here. Small window. Cadillac emblem. Love the American flag. See the interior. Still on the 90s, they hadn't changed yet, so they're very classic, traditional Cadillac. It's interesting how the seatbelt mount is like right into the, I don't know if that's original, right into the window. Almost blocks the window. The Brougham. Rear fillers are cracked like usual. Looks like King Freehold, so it's a New Jersey car. Looks like original New Jersey car. This here has like a smaller window in the back. Looks like they're on YouTube as well. That's it, guys.